Skill gap assessment by job role in Google Sheets using multi-axis spider chart. Introduction to multi-axis spider chart. Search for multi-axis spider chart. Then select it. Select the sheet holding your data. Select metric columns. Select dimension column. Click on the Create Chart button. Multi-axis spider chart is successfully created. How to configure a chart. Multi-axis spider chart data requirements. You need one column of categorical data to create a multi-axis spider chart. Categorical data definition. It describes a characteristic or a category of data. It takes on values that are names or labels. Categorical data is also called qualitative data. You need between 3 and 6 columns of numerical data to create a multi-axis spider chart. Numerical data definition. It is in the form of numbers and is numeric in nature. It can be counted or measured, and can be arranged in a logical order. Numerical data is also called quantitative data. Important: multi-axis spider chart will only accept data in columns as shown in the image on the right. Search for multi-axis spider chart. Then select it. Select the sheet holding your data from Sheet Name dropdown. Note: Header row checkbox is checked because data contains header row. Select metric Technical Expertise. Select metric Communication. Select metric Leadership. Select metric Problem Solving. Select metric Adaptability. Select metric Time Management. Select dimension Job role. You can set row range using the slider, or manually set value in Start Row and End Row text boxes. Currently, we will select all rows. When all required selections have been made, the Create Chart button will become active. Click on the Create Chart button. Multi-axis spider chart is successfully created. How to edit a chart. Click on the Edit Chart button. Click on the chart header pen to edit the properties. Then enter the header text. Click on the Apply button. Click on the Chart Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Measure Label section. You can show or hide the label. You can change label text. Click on the Grid Line section. You can show or hide the grid lines. Click on the Cancel button. Click on the Legend Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Legend section. You can show or hide the legend. You can change label legend alignment. Click on the Box section to change the color of the box. Click on the Apply button. Similarly, change the color of all the boxes. Click on the Save button. How to export a chart. Click on the Export button to export chart in SVG, PNG, JPG, or PDF. The exported chart file will appear in the Downloads folder. How to add a chart to a sheet. Click on the Add Chart to Sheet button to add chart image in sheet. How to install ChartExpo add-on. Click on the Extensions menu. Install ChartExpo add-on. Enhance your charting experience with advanced charts. An add-on is software that adds new features into Google Sheets. How to install ChartExpo video is available in iCard, located in top right corner. Video link is also provided in the description below. Please click on More. Once the ChartExpo add-on is installed, it should display an Extensions menu. Click on the Charts, Graphs and Visualizations by ChartExpo. Click on Open submenu. Click on the Add New Chart button. Select a chart from ChartExpo chart list. We appreciate your business. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.